Hi, Bob. The airport looks busy today.
Yes, Alice. Many people are traveling.
Is this your first flight?
No, but I still feel nervous.
That is normal for many people.
Do you travel often for work?
Sometimes, mostly for vacations.
Vacations are always more enjoyable.
Where are you flying today?
I am flying to Singapore today.
Oh, nice. I love that city.
Have you visited Singapore before?
Yes, I went there last year.
What did you like most there?
The food and clean streets.
I am excited to try local food.
Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Traveling alone can be peaceful.
Yes, but sometimes it feels lonely.
Do you have family waiting there?
No, I will meet friends instead.
That sounds fun and relaxing.
How about you, Alice?
I am visiting my sister.
That must be very nice.
Yes, I miss her a lot.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 1 week.
1 week is a good duration.
Did you already check in?
Yes, I checked in online.
Online check-in saves time.
I agree. It is very helpful.
Do you have luggage to check?
Only one suitcase and backpack.
That is not too much.
I prefer traveling light.
Same here. It feels easier.
Do you like window seats?
Yes, I love looking outside.
I prefer aisle seats, actually.
Why do you prefer aisle seats?
I like moving freely during flights.
That makes sense for long flights.
Is your flight boarding soon?
Yes, boarding starts in 30 minutes.
We still have some time then.
Do you want coffee together?
Yes, coffee sounds great now.
Okay, let's walk to the cafe. It is not far.
It smells good already. I love the smell of coffee.
Me too. It wakes me up.
What kind of coffee do you usually drink?
I usually drink a vanilla latte. I like it sweet. And you?
I prefer a cappuccino. Not too sweet, but with extra foam.
Do you want anything to eat? Maybe a croissant?
Oh, excuse me. Yes, I think I am hungry. I will take a chocolate croissant.
No problem. I will get a blueberry muffin.
The line is a bit long.
It is okay. We have time. Look at the menu board.
The prices are quite high here.
Yes, airport prices are always expensive.
It is $5 for a small coffee.
I know, but we need the energy.
True. I will pay for the coffee, Alice.
Oh no, Bob. We can split the bill.
No, please. You kept me company. It is my treat.
That is very kind of you. Thank you, Bob.
You are welcome.
Let's sit near the window.
Good idea. The sun is nice.
This latte is perfect. How is yours?
It is strong, just how I like it. The croissant is fresh too.
So, Bob, we talked about travel, but what do you do for work?
I work as a software engineer. I build websites and apps.
Wow, that sounds difficult. Do you like it?
Yes, I enjoy solving problems. But sometimes it is stressful
Why is it stressful?
because I sit in front of a computer all day. My eyes get tired.
I understand. I work as a graphic designer, so I also use computers a lot.
Oh, really? Do you draw pictures?
Yes, I design logos and brochures for companies.
That sounds very creative. I cannot draw at all.
It takes practice, but I like it.
Can you work from anywhere?
Yes, I work remotely sometimes. That is why I can travel often.
I am jealous. I have to go to the office 3 times a week.
Maybe in the future you can work remotely too.
I hope so. I want to work from a beach in Bali.
That is everyone's dream.
What do you do when you are not working, Alice?
I like reading books and gardening.
Gardening? That is a relaxing hobby. What do you grow?
Mostly flowers and some vegetables like tomatoes.
I tried to grow a plant once.
What happened?
It died after 2 weeks. I forgot to give it water.
Oh dear. You need to be careful with plants.
Yes, I am better with computers than plants. I like playing video games,
What kind of games?
adventure games, and football games. I play with my friends online.
My brother loves video games too. He plays every weekend.
It is a good way to relax after a hard week.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I played badminton on Tuesdays.
I am not good at sports, but I like walking in the park.
Walking is good exercise too. Singapore has many nice parks.
Yes, you should visit the botanic gardens there.
Is it free to enter?
Most parts are free. It is very beautiful and green.
Oh no,
What is wrong?
my phone battery is at 10%. I forgot to charge it last night.
Do you have your charger?
Yes, it is in my backpack, but I need a power outlet.
Look, there's a charging station under our table.
Oh, fantastic. You saved me.
Does it work?
Yes, it is charging now. I need my phone for the map in Singapore.
And for calling a taxi.
Exactly. I cannot survive without my phone.
Technology is useful, but sometimes we depend on it too much.
I agree. Sometimes I want to turn it off for a whole day.
You should try it on your vacation.
Maybe I will. Just enjoy the moment without notifications.
Speaking of notifications, my sister just texted me.
Is she excited to see you?
Yes, she is cooking dinner for me tonight.
Home-cooked food is the best. What is she cooking?
She is making lasagna. It is my favorite.
Delicious. I will probably eat instant noodles tonight at the hotel.
You should go to a hawker center in Singapore. The food is cheap and great.
I will do that. I want to try chicken rice. Does your sister live alone?
No, she lives with her husband and 2 children.
So you are an auntie.
Yes, I have a nephew and a niece. They are very noisy.
Kids are always full of energy. How old are they?
5 and 7. They love it when I bring them gifts.
Did you buy gifts for them?
Yes, I bought some chocolate and puzzle games.
You are a good aunt.
Do you have siblings, Bob?
Yes, I have one older brother. He lives in Australia.
That is far away. Do you see him often?
Not really. Maybe once every 2 years. We talk on video calls.
Video calls help a lot to stay connected.
Yes, but it is not the same as meeting in person.
True. Maybe you can visit Australia next time.
That is my plan for next year.
Bob, look at the time.
Is it late?
It is 40 minutes past the hour. My boarding starts in 10 minutes.
And mine starts in 15 minutes. We talked for a long time.
We should go to the gate now.
Let me finish my coffee quickly.
Don't burn your tongue.
Okay, done. Let's go.
Do you know your gate number?
Yes, gate A12.
Oh, I am at gate A15. We are walking in the same direction.
That is convenient.
Did you enjoy your coffee?
Yes, it was very good. Thank you again for the company, Alice.
I enjoyed it too. It is better than waiting alone.
Definitely. It made my nervousness go away.
I am glad to hear that. You will be fine in Singapore.
I feel more ready now. That is the announcement for my flight.
Okay, this is my gate here.
Well, Alice, have a safe trip to see your sister.
Thank you, Bob. Enjoy the food in Singapore.
I will. Goodbye, Alice.
Bye, Bob.